there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that makes sure you get the best bang for your buck. Today, we've got a sky-high showdown between two GPS drones that are ready to take your aerial adventures to the next level. On the left, we have the Holystone HS720G, and on the right, we've got the TOMZON P5G. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's talk about the first thing everyone wants to know, the price. The Holystone HS720G will set you back a cool $299. Meanwhile, the TOMZON P5G is a more wallet-friendly $159. That's almost half the price. So if you're looking to save some cash for, I don't know, a skydiving lesson to use with your new drone, TOMZON's already ahead. The Holystone comes with a 2-axis gimbal and 4K EIS camera. Fancy, right? It promises stunning and vivid footage without missing any details. Perfect for those Instagram-worthy shots. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G also boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable and 120 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like having a GoPro on steroids. However, it lacks a gimbal, so your footage might look like it was filmed during an earthquake. But hey, nothing a little post-editing can't fix, right? Battery life is crucial. No one wants their drone falling out of the sky like a brick. The Holystone HS720G gives you a solid 26 minutes of flight time. Not bad, right? But wait, the TOMZON P5G comes with 2 batteries, giving you a whopping 36 minutes of flight time. That's 10 more minutes to crash into a tree. I mean, capture amazing footage. The Holystone HS720G has a maximum control distance of 999 meters. That's almost a kilometer. You could spy on your neighbor's barbecue from the comfort of your couch. The TOMZON P5G, on the other hand, offers a control range of 985 feet. Not quite as far, but hey, it's still far enough to lose it in a park and spend the rest of your day looking for it. The Holystone is packed with features like Follow Me, Tap Fly, Point of Interest, and a GPS module. It's like having a co-pilot that doesn't complain or eat your snacks. The TOMZON P5G isn't slacking either. It's got Follow Me, Circle Flight, Custom Path Flight, and GPS Auto Return. Plus, it's got that beginner mode for all you first-time flyers out there. It's like having training wheels on your drone. Adorable! The Holystone HS720G is foldable and weighs less than 380 grams. It's like carrying a can of Coke with wings. Perfect for travel. The TOMZON P5G is even lighter at 238 grams. No FAA registration needed, just grab and go. Plus, it comes with a waterproof carrying case, so you can literally take it anywhere, even to the beach. Just don't let it swim. Drones aren't great swimmers. Based on Amazon reviews, the Holystone HS720G is widely praised for its user-friendly controls, stunning 4K camera, and reliable GPS features. It's seen as a great entry-level drone for both beginners and experienced users. On the flip side, the TOMZON P5G is commended for its affordability, ease of use, and impressive camera quality. However, some users experienced initial syncing issues, but appreciated the responsive customer service. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Holystone HS720G and the TOMZON P5G both bring some serious heat to the drone game. If you're looking for high-end features and don't mind splurging, the Holy Stone is your guy. But if you're ballin' on a budget and still want some killer features, the TOMZON P5G has got your back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly smart, buy smart, and we'll see you in the next video.